The typing test gadget allows an author to add a typing challenge to any Versal lesson. When learners press play, the timer starts counting down. As they type, the displayed text changes color. When learners type an incorrect character, the character that should have been typed is shown in red. When learners type a correct character, that character is shown in green. Time remaining, learners' accuracy, number of corrections, words per minute, and the number of words typed are displayed as learners progress through the challenge. To use the typing test gadget in your course, drag the gadget into the player. A property sheet will appear at the left. Here, you can choose how long the exercise will last, whether learners are allowed to correct their mistakes, and the type of text used for the challenge. Click here to choose whether the text presented to learners is taken from a selection of short stories, song lyrics, random text, or custom text that you create. If you choose to put in your own custom text, simply make that choice and type or copy and paste into the text field. That's it. The typing test gadget is a convenient way for your learners to assess their typing skills.